Hey, future inventors and creators, welcome to OpenTinker, a place where your imagination takes the lead and anything is possible. Here's the coolest part. There are no rules and no agendas. You're the boss, and you get to decide what to create. Need a little spark to get started? We've got fun challenges and cool inspiration to help you. But hey, don't stop there. You're not limited to just these ideas. If you can dream it, you can tinker it. And guess what? You don't need fancy supplies. You can tinker with anything. Cardboard, clay, art and craft supplies, Lego, popsicle sticks, rubber bands, or even old recyclables. Plastic bottles? Perfect. Leftover paper rolls? Amazing. Broken toys? Let's give them a new life. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert. You just need an idea and the courage to try. Every mistake is just another step towards something awesome. We learn by doing. Let's OpenTinker and see where our imagination takes us. Remember, there are no limits, only endless possibilities.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting content to inspire and guide your kids in their entrepreneurial journey.